In this video, I'm going to show you how to use snapping toggle in DaVinci Resolve 20, also known as the magnet snapping feature. This is one of those small tools that can save you a huge amount of time while editing, because it helps your clips line up perfectly without having to zoom in and guess. If you've ever wanted clips to stick neatly to edit points, markers, or the playhead, this is exactly what you need. And if you want more quick DaVinci Resolve tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to your timeline. At the top of the timeline area, look for the toolbar above your tracks. In that toolbar, you'll see the magnet icon. This is the snapping toggle, and it controls whether your clips automatically stick to nearby points when you move them around. If snapping is turned on, clips will naturally align to edit points, markers, and the playhead. That means when you drag a clip close to another clip or a point on the timeline, Resolve helps you snap it into the exact right position. This is really useful when you want clean, accurate edits and perfect timing between clips. To turn snapping on or off, simply click the magnet icon. You can also press N on your keyboard as a shortcut. This is the fastest way to toggle snapping without taking your eyes off the timeline. When the magnet is active, snapping is enabled. When it's off, you can move clips more freely without them locking to nearby points. Now let's look at what snapping actually does in practice. Grab a clip and move it toward another edit point. When snapping is working, you'll notice a white vertical line appear. That white line tells you the clip has snapped precisely to the edge of another element. This is your visual confirmation that everything is lined up correctly. This feature is especially helpful when you're arranging multiple clips, syncing cuts, or making sure transitions start and end exactly where you want them. Instead of manually trying to match positions, snapping gives you a cleaner and faster workflow. But snapping is not something you want on all the time in every situation. If you're doing fine adjustments or micro trims, it can actually get in the way. In those cases, turn snapping off by clicking the magnet icon again or pressing N. With snapping disabled, the clip won't jump to nearby points, which gives you more frame-by-frame precision. This is really important when you need to make tiny timeline adjustments, especially in detailed edits where even one frame matters. A lot of editors switch snapping on and off depending on the task, and that's the best way to work efficiently in DaVinci Resolve. There's also a very handy shortcut you should know. If you hold the N key temporarily while dragging a clip, you can invert the current snapping state. That means if snapping is currently on, holding N lets you temporarily disable it while you move the clip. And if snapping is off, holding N can temporarily activate it. This is perfect when you only need a quick exception without changing the toolbar setting permanently. So the basic workflow is simple. Use the magnet icon to control snapping, press N for a quick toggle, watch for the white line to confirm alignment, and turn snapping off when you need precise manual control. Once you get used to this, it becomes one of those editing habits that makes your timeline work much smoother. And that's how to use the snapping toggle in DaVinci Resolve 20. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in speed, accuracy, and overall editing confidence. If this helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.